Hello everybody, this is Roman Steinberg from UKIT AI project. If you never heard about our project, I recommend you to go to ukit.ai landing page where you can read some information about our project and about us. Shortly saying, we are trying to make a new website builder which will create websites by using artificial intelligence. Today, our video is devoted to artificial intelligence model which scores websites. What do I mean by that? We have trained a model, machine learning model, which try to give a score to web pages. How did we do that? We had about 12,000 sites and we asked our assessors to give a score to them. After that, we had got about 200,000 scores and we calculated an average score for each website. After that, we used a supervised learning approach to train our model. It means that we took some website descriptions. Description is a set of features which represent a certain site. And our model had to learn how to find a correspondence between the website features and their scores. I think we succeeded, and I will show you the result of our work right now. And today we have a list of 4 sites. This is number 1. I think it's a bit old. This is number 2. This is number 3. And this is number 4. As for me, I don't know French, but I think it's quite a good site. We have good images here, nice fonts, some animation, so I just feel that it is good. Now we are going to our server and we will try to score those 4 sites. First of all, I wish to show you the input file. It contains URLs for those 4 sites. And we need to run attribute extraction process. Just a moment. This one. Okay. And now I wish you to explain what do I mean by attributes. Attributes are the properties of a website, or you can say features of a website. So it is the information about some of its parts. It's about colors, images, text, how much space the text takes on the website, how good colors are, and so on. So we need to obtain this information by using attributes extractors, and we take a screenshot of a website because we need this screenshot to be provided to our neural network. I will tell you about it a bit later, and I will show you how we use it. Also, I have to mention that the process of attributes extraction is quite long, so it's the longest part of our scoring system, and sometimes it takes about 20 seconds per website. Okay, it is done, and the result of the attribute extraction is in the zip file. In just a moment I will show you this zip file. Here we've got the input file and the output file, which was generated a while ago, and I need to rename it because I will prefer to use a shorter name for it, just to make everything easier. Okay, it is done, and now we have to go out to our workstation this way, and we need to transfer this file from the server to workstation. Yeah, copy command. Done. Okay, and we are ready to run our scoring scripts, but we need a special environment for it. We use Docker, and I need to run a Docker container. Just a moment. This way. Okay, and we have a shared folder between our container and workstation. I will show you this folder, data folder, and you can see out.zip file which we transferred from the server. It contains information about attributes. We need to unzip it, unpack. Right, and now we have out.json file which contains information about attributes for all of those sites. There are a lot of numbers. So, okay, go to screenshots folder. Here we have screenshot for each site which we are going to rate. Okay, now let's look at metadata subfolder. It contains binaries for the models we use, and the main script for today is predict_py. I'm going to show you what it contains. Okay, there is a CatBoost and TensorFlow here. CatBoost is a well-known library made by Yandex. TensorFlow is very popular framework from Google. We use CatBoost to create a gradient boosting model, and we use TensorFlow to use neural net called ResNet 50. The main routine in this script is demo. Here it is, and you can see that we load attributes from our JSON file, we load screenshots, and we provide those screenshots to our neural network. And neural network extracts high-level computer vision features. After that, we concatenate those high-level features and attributes from the previous stage. We've got a new vector features, and we provide this feature vector to our CatBoost model, and it gives us a score for each site. Also, I wish to show you resnet.py because it contains our neural network processes with it. So the extract features is the main routine here. Okay, now we are ready to run predict_py. Okay. It initializes the environment, TensorFlow and CatBoost. It loads binaries with models, and after that it starts all the processes I mentioned before. And after everything is done, we can see scores for each site. Okay, site number 1 got 1.3 score. Let's look at it again. Here it is. And site number 2, 3.8 score from 10, and the next one number 3 got 6.1 score. Now we can look at site number 4. It got 8.5 from 10 score. I think it's quite a good result, and I agree with our model. It is really the best site from this list. Now you have seen how it all works, and I want to add a couple of words about our model. First of all, I wish to mention that this model tries to rate a website the same way like average users do. So one can say it behaves like a user. The second thing you have to know is that websites are like living beings. I mean, there are some people who are responsible for those sites, and they are trying to keep it up to date, to make it better, or maybe not, who knows. But anyway, after they change something, our model gives another score to this website. So you should not be surprised if you today get a score that is different from, let's say, 2 weeks ago. It's okay. So I'm finishing this video now, and I want to say that I hope we will make some more videos and maybe a blog posts or something else which will tell you about the progress in our UKIT AI project. Hope you will be interested. That's all for today. Goodbye.